Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is basically just a rundown of what I do once a week in the kids' room, in the deep clean in the kitchen, and there's sweet little Rhett taking his little nappy. Anyways, so first I'm just going to start off in the kitchen. Sometimes I just feel like, to jumpstart my cleaning when I'm totally unmotivated is just to get my kitchen clean. Like, I don't know what it is about a clean sink, but it can get me just ready to go, ready to get the house clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do all my dishes, get those put away, clean out the sink. Didn't have much to do. Everything was pretty much loaded in the dishwasher. So yeah, I put away my dishes and then got started in the kids' rooms. So please enjoy, and I'll pop in here or there just to kind of explain what I'm doing. Thank y'all for joining me.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to.
Okay, so I did just realize that I put something in the sink and never explained what I was doing. That was just an essential oil. I'll put like peppermint, tea tree, or lemon, whichever one that I'm feeling that day. Just put it down the drain just to give it like a fresh scent after doing the dishes. And then next, in between cleaning throughout the day, I would stop as the loads got done with laundry. And I would just stop and switch them out and get them going as I was cleaning. And then if you know what show this is playing in the background, then you know how annoyed I was with the theme songs playing over and over. But Aubrey is obsessed with this show right now, so it's pretty much, if it's on TV, it's playing on my TV.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Would you know my name? Would you know it and did you feel the same? Wonder where are you now? sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame, and I know that I have no one else to blame. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you?
Okay, if you have a little girl, please tell me I am not the only one who has to deal with a chaotic mess every single time you clean their room. Aubrey tends to dig through any little thing that she can get into every time she gets a second to herself. If you're not hovering over her, she is 9 times out of 10 getting into something and making a big mess. But anyways, I've tried my best to try to keep it up, but this is as best as I can do. So she really needed her sheets and everything washed, but it was late at night at this point, and I needed to go ahead and wrap up this video for the night, and she needed to go to bed. So I just waited until the next day. So you'll see me make her bed and then turn around and strip it back. That's because it's the next day. And you'll see that little storage closet that I keep going into. It's actually like an attic type. Well, I don't really know how to explain it, but it's pretty much a storage closet, and we actually use it for her toys as a toy room. So you'll see it later in the video, but if you keep wondering what that little closet is and why I'm bringing toys in there, that's because that's where we keep her toys at. And this may change later. I'm not sure if that's why this room's getting so chaotic, but I really just feel like it's her age right now. She's turning 4 in a few days, and I'm just not really sure, but she just loves to get into everything right now, so we'll see how that goes. But she's gonna help me clean a little bit, and you'll see that here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get her room clean, strip the bed the next day and clean that, and then I'm gonna vacuum and just get her room ready to go for the week ahead.
Don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing, bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it? I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure.
Okay, so I actually forgot that this clip was in here. So what this little case is that I keep up in the top of her closet is just if there's ever mismatch socks or mittens, I'll keep them in that case, and it was just time to go ahead and go through them. I got rid of a few of them that I know that before we had moved, it was still in the case, and it still hasn't been found since we moved. So I went ahead and got that up, and then here Aubrey's helping me organize all her CDs for her karaoke machine, and then she's actually gonna help me clean up before it gets too late and before her daddy gets her ready for bed. It's the next morning here, and I just really was so over cleaning her room and it being this disastrous. I was like, Aubrey, you're gonna come in here with me and we're gonna get this done today. I am tired of picking up your room, and she dang sure did stay on it. There was one point where she found a little ball under her bed and took a moment to play with it, and I can totally relate because I did the same thing when I was younger cleaning my room, getting sidetracked. But she really did help me, and I'm so glad because I was like, I'm just so over it. I was to the point that I was about to dig through all her toys and get rid of whatever I was tired of picking up consistently.
It's just a highlight, twist on the highlight. I'm just in it for the I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift in the highlight, just the high feel living in the high life, drift, just the highlight, twist on the highlight. I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift in the highlight.
Okay, I am finally done with her room pretty much. Now I'm just finishing up the last little bit in the toy closet, and then I'm going to go ahead and get the chance to vacuum and all of that good stuff. And I am so glad. I'm telling you, this is the one task a week that I do not look forward to cleaning. Like, Rhett's room's easy. The kitchen's pretty easy. I love cleaning the living room. But when it comes to Aubrey's room and her, like, toy situation, I'm just like, I'm at a loss of what would be better, if that makes any sense. I think she just has too much stuff, and here soon we're gonna go through it and donate again. But we just did it before Christmas, but it just seems that it's just gotten out of hand. But so I'm so glad that's finally over with. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up her room and then move on to Rhett's.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind,
I added this last little clip here so that I could give you guys some announcements about my channel that I really just wanted to share with you. On Friday the 15th, I'm going to be doing a collaboration with another YouTuber. It's going to be a nighttime, just a relaxing clean with us. So if you want to get a glass of wine or whatever, it's going to be posted Friday morning, and you can watch it that day or that night or whatever. It's just going to be a relaxing clean with us, and I'll have her tagged in the description box of my video. We're just going to be collaborating together, just a real chill, just clean with us. Anyways, the next thing is, if you guys could just please add me on Instagram, just follow me there. I'm going to post something in a couple of days on my stories and make a post on Instagram just asking for some questions that you might have for me. I don't mind if you want me to get vulnerable. I will answer anything at this point. I know a lot of people know that from my hometown, know that I've been through a lot as a child and growing up, and every day as far as my family, not my like my home family, but growing up family. So if you guys want to know about that, or if there's any other questions that you have about maybe something you've seen me use in my home and you'd like a link, or you want to know where I got it from, any of those types of questions, if I'm going to post it on my stories and ask for some questions for me, and then I'm going to make a Q&A video. And if you guys could just do that for me. Also, if you could please like, subscribe, and just put a comment at the bottom. It really does support me and my family if you guys could just help me out in that way. And share this video with your friends and family. Thank y'all so much.
I'm dancing on the tables and I must say